What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we are checking out the best robot vacuum and mop combo for people who want automatic cleaning without extra effort. This smart cleaning robot can vacuum and mop at the same time and keep your home fresh every day. Let's get started. Today, we are talking about the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a smart cleaning device made to handle both dry and wet messes in your home. The Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is designed for full home cleaning, which means it can work on carpets, hard floors, and corners without needing your help. It combines strong suction, smart navigation, and automatic mopping to make cleaning easier than ever. One of the biggest advantages of the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is the powerful suction with sonic mopping. It can pick up dust, dirt, and debris while also scrubbing hard floors at the same time. The sonic mopping action moves very fast, helping remove sticky spots and dry dirt that normal robots may miss. This makes your floor look cleaner with less effort. Another helpful feature is the self-emptying dust bin. The Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo can store dirt for up to 60 days before you need to empty it. This means you do not have to clean the bin every day, which saves time and keeps your hands clean. Cleaning performance is improved with Matrix Clean technology. Instead of moving randomly, the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo follows a precise grid pattern and makes multiple passes over the same area. This helps remove more dirt from carpets and makes sure no spot is left behind. Edge cleaning is also better thanks to Clean Edge Detect. The robot can recognize corners and edges, then push debris out using small bursts of air before vacuuming it. Because of this, the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo can clean areas that many robots usually miss. For people who care about air quality, the HEPA filter with anti-allergen seal is very useful. The Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo traps very small dust particles and allergens inside the system. This helps keep the air cleaner, which is great for homes with pets or allergies. The self-cleaning brush roll is another smart feature. The brush is designed to pick up hair and dirt without getting tangled. This means the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo keeps working smoothly even if you have pets or long hair in the house. When you need deeper cleaning, the Matrix Mop function can focus on specific areas. Using the app, you can tell the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo to clean one spot again for stronger scrubbing. This is very helpful for kitchens, entrances, and other dirty areas. Navigation is very accurate because the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo uses 360-degree LiDAR vision. It scans the room, avoids obstacles, and cleans in an organized path. If the battery gets low, the Recharge and Resume feature lets the robot charge and continue cleaning from the same place. The design of the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo looks modern and strong. The body feels durable, the size is compact enough to move under furniture, and the overall build quality is made for daily use without problems.
In real life, this robot is perfect for busy people. You can start cleaning while working, resting, or going outside. It keeps the floor clean every day without needing much attention.
This product is best for families, pet owners, busy workers, and anyone who wants automatic cleaning with less effort. If you want smart vacuuming and mopping in one machine, the Shark AV2610 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a great choice. Wait before you go. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart product videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.